Our economy faces critical challenges: Kina devaluation, national debt, and a lack of economic security. A revolutionary solution is urgently needed to stabilize and grow our nation. The Beehive Economy program offers a strategic answer, leveraging the honeybee strategy. It directly tackles devaluation, debt repayment, and fosters economic security and ownership. This program introduces a three-dimensional revolution: economy, security, cash flow, and ownership. We recognize people as the primary economic source, mobilizing them to build a robust, self-sustaining system. Every individual contributes to continuously growing economic security, generating consistent cash flow. This empowers economic activities and establishes true ownership for our citizens, transforming our economic future. Welcome to your Beehive Economy program, a program initiated by Papua New Guineans for Papua New Guinea's economy. Today is your day to change your economy.
Join our Economic Revolution program today, the Beehive Economy program. Get connected to a non-stop, continuous, growing economic security that will empower you as an individual person. Take your stand today. Be part of this Economy Revolution program. Registration is only 20 kina. Contact your nearest officer in charge or message us on WhatsApp number 8382-8500 or 833-81818.